Within the sealed switch module, operators have the ability to customize features specific to their operating preference and application. Ride control cushions the boom under heavy loads for a smoother ride. When operating over rough, unimproved surfaces, lower ride control speed settings are recommended. Ride control can be turned off, turned on, or set to the automatic mode. In automatic mode, ride control is automatically controlled, shutting the feature off at a preset speed, which is beneficial when digging in a pile or dumping into hoppers or trucks. Adjusting the speed at which automatic mode turns ride control on and off is controlled within the monitor. From the factory, John Deere wheel loaders are set at 3.5 miles per hour, which is acceptable for many applications. For loaders using payload scales, it is recommended to set ride controls to on when weighing payloads. Boom height kickout and return to carry are two productivity-enhancing features controlled via the SSM. Applying these features allows the operator to focus on the surroundings rather than the position of the boom. To set desired heights for both features, press and hold the respective button until a beep occurs. If the operator desires to use the float function, set return to carry off, or place the boom further into the detent position once the boom is at or below the set position for return to carry. Return to dig allows attachments to automatically return to a set angle, permitting the operator to return to the task with a level bucket. To engage return to dig, the button within the SSM must be turned on, and the bucket must be dumped out past the set position.